Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network using VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. So in order to do this we can actually do it a few ways, and the first one is to scroll down our toolbar or notification bar, however you call it. Now there should be Wi-Fi icon right here, so hold your finger onto it. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. You can go for more Wi-Fi settings in order to open them. The second way is to move to the settings. From here we'll need to find Wi-Fi. There will be available networks right here, and now simply choose the network you have the password or access to. Enter the password. Click connect. And now we're connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.